Hello everyone. So today is Today is a little bit of a different video. This is my first unboxing video actually. And these are a pair of glasses that I ordered from a website called ambereyewear.com, and these ones are supposed to block dangerous blue light from computer screens. So these ones should be perfect for programming if you spend a lot of time at the computer screen. So as I said, these are from a website called Ambr Eyewear, and I just got them. And I haven't opened this box yet. I did open the paper that it came with, but I haven't really touched the glasses yet. So I thought I'd share that experience with you guys. So let's start. A pretty cool box. Sort of feels like I don't know. It has a nice texture to it, I guess, and it says Ambr right there. I'll post the link to their website in the description. So yeah, let's open this box. As you can see, there are a pair of glasses in there, and these are supposed to look like regular glasses. Like, I know there are other types of glasses for computer screens that are supposed to block dangerous lights. For example, the Gunner glasses, but they have like a yellow tint to them, and these are completely transparent. So yeah, let's take off the plastic here. There we go. They look really good, actually. They just look like regular glasses. I got some fingerprints on them. I think that were my fingers. Yeah, they look really good, actually. So yeah, I'm gonna try them on, and then I'm gonna tell you what I think about them. I'm gonna use them for programming, like when I sit at the computer. Yeah, I'm gonna see if they actually help. And I got a little piece of paper here too. Ambr Eyewear. We know how much it hurts to stare at screens all the day. We also know that looking great should never be compromised. We created Ambr Eyewear to share our vision for a range of eyewear that beautifully blends style and function. We hope you love your new glasses as much as we do. Satya and Dan Funders. So I think there is actually a married couple that are creating these glasses and selling them. That's pretty cool. So yeah, I'll try them on, and I'll get back later to you in another video. So yeah, thank you for watching, everyone. And as I said, I'll post a link to these glasses in the description.